Wish you a very lovely good morning, my dear class 4 students. Today we are going to restart the second last and the last topic of your chapter 3rd, which is subtraction. So let us begin. Today our topic is to find the missing numbers. So here in this topic we will know how to find the missing number in the subtraction. Like, as we know, minuend minus subtrahend, we get difference. Yes, this I have told you earlier, that minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. So minuend is the greater number and subtrahend is the smaller number. So when we subtract the smaller number from the greater number, we get the difference as the answer. Okay, so similarly here we will know that if one of the number is missing from subtrahend or minuend, then how we will find it with the help of given difference and one of the given minuend or subtrahend. So let's see rule number 1. To find the missing minuend, we add the difference to the subtrahend. As you can see in the given block over here, that difference, if we have to find the minuend, then what we will do, we will write difference and we will add difference from in subtrahend. When we will add difference and subtrahend, we will get the minuend. So to find minuend, we will simply add subtrahend and difference. Okay, let us see the example. Find minuend. So here we can see the minuend is absent, minuend is not given, and subtrahend and difference are given. So what we will do, we will add both of them. When we will add both of them, so here you can see when we have add both of them, we have got the minuend, which is when we have added 4694 difference plus 5286 subtrahend, we have got 9980 as minuend. Okay, so when we have to find minuend, we will simply add the difference and the subtrahend. This is the first rule or the first way to find the minuend or the greater number. Okay, let's see what's our rule 2. Rule 2 says that to find the missing subtrahend, we subtract the difference from the minuend. So next thing is, to find the subtrahend, what we will do, we will write minuend and we will subtract the given difference. So when we will subtract the given difference from the minuend, we will get subtrahend. So here in example we can see that minuend is given, the greater number is 9625 and the difference is given as 3289, and here the subtrahend is absent, subtrahend is not given. So to find subtrahend, what we will do, we will subtract difference from minuend. So by subtracting 3289 from 9625, we will get 6336 as subtrahend. Okay, so here in rule 2 we get to know that to find subtrahend, we will simply subtract difference from minuend. We will subtract difference from minuend to find the subtrahend. Okay.